What's up, guys? Welcome back to my life. Yeah, I know I could say my channel and stuff, but this is really just my life. This is what I do. This is how I roll. And yeah, just me. So some people have been asking me why I put black tape on the end of my 22 barrel. And I got that from a guy years ago. He said, hey, if you want a cheap way of tightening up your 22 groups, tape your end of your barrel. So I'm going to take all the tape off. I'm going to take the can off, and we're going to shoot it at 50 yards. We're going to use the Federal Auto Match that was shooting really good in my last video of the Battle of the Bulks. And we're going to zero the rifle. Then we're going to take all the tape, the can off, and then we're going to see if what the point of impact change is. And then I'm going to retape the barrel, shoot it again, and then put the can back on and shoot it again, and see if it shoots a tighter group. So just kind of a redneck thing of how to tighten up your groups without spending a lot of money. So, all right, stay tuned. We'll see what happens. As you can see, I got tape and a can on. So we're gonna just shoot a zero here, make sure we're zeroed, and then we'll take it all off and go from there. All right, we're gonna shoot a 5-shot group, top left. Looks like Federal Auto Match is falling apart today. Okay, we're gonna try that next target to the right of where them holes are at on top. I think I might have grabbed a mismatch box of ammo. So it has a Federal Auto Match box, but I think it's mix match stuff. So we're gonna retry that group again. Hopefully it tightens up, or yeah, I don't know. All right, definitely a lot different. Yeah, that's what happens when you got somebody picks up all your stuff that you leave on the table at home, maybe the wife, maybe the kids, and just puts it in one of your boxes, and you're shooting mixed match ammo now. So, but anyways, that second group was a Federal Auto Match, and yeah, that seemed to group a lot better. So, all right, we're gonna take the can off. And we'll take the tape off. All right, clean barrel. Woo, she's pretty. She's dirty up here, but all right, we'll shoot a group now and see where that ends up at. All right, 5-shot group here. We're gonna shoot that small left target low in the middle, and this is with no tape and no can. Might be a little louder. Make sure we're level. There we go. Well, got a vertical string. Alright, we're gonna just screw the can back on first and see if it changes. If it has a point of impact shift. Alright, we're gonna just shoot right back at the same target. If we land in them same holes, then I'll adjust it. Wow, huge point of impact shift. That's not good either. Yep. Lost that target. Must have hit it there. I don't know if we got 22'd on that high flyer or what, but now we'll see if the tape brings it all back together. Be interesting. Let's see. All right, we're gonna take the can off, and then we're gonna tape. Oh, just your local electrician's tape here. And we'll tape it to the threads. And I'm taping it pretty tight. And maybe we'll just go back the other way with it one time. We'll call it good. And we'll throw that can back on. Well, yeah, let's shoot it without the can. All right, let's go to the next target to the right there in the center. And this is with tape. So well, it definitely dropped. Definitely don't group. Well, that didn't look good. All right, here we go. And we're going back with the can. So the can brought my point of impact up for sure. The tape brought everything back down. Didn't group very well at all. Well, let's see if all these together now bring it back up to where it originally was when we started, or maybe I should have left well alone. I don't know. We'll find out. All right, we're gonna find out together if all that was just a big waste of time, or if this actually does shoot good. Oh, I'm wiggling. Well, knocked another one off. Well, let's go to the one next to the one to the right. All right, let's go back to the one in the center. We're shooting a 10-shot group here. All right, what do you think? I think that's dang near about what I had before. So, yeah, for me, I think that's pretty good. All right, so yeah, black tape in a can tightens up your group a little bit. Definitely from definitely with nothing on the barrel. I don't know. It had vertical string in there. I don't know. But anyways, tell me what you think. Leave something in the comments for me. Thanks for watching.